Good day, everybody. I welcome you to this channel once again. Today we'll be solving this question. This is Neco mathematics questions. It's actually a preparatory class. Number one says express 0.001025 in standard form. So this will be 1.025 times, three zeros come before this. So it will be times 10 raised to power minus 3. Option C is our answer here. Now for the second question, find the 8th term of the AP. Minus 3 minus 1 and 1. The nth term of an AP is given by A plus n minus 1 D. Where our A is minus 3, that's the first term. Our n is 8, then D, that's a common difference, that's minus 1 minus 3. That's second term minus the first term. That's minus 1 plus 3, which is 2. So our D is 2. So substituting this into this expression, we have the 8th term is equal to minus 3 plus 8 minus 1 times 2. That's minus 3 plus 7 times 2. That's minus 3 plus 14. So our 8th term is equal to minus 3 plus 14 is 11. So option B is our answer here. And for the third question, it says evaluate 1 over 8 raised to power minus half divided by 0.3 multiplied by 0.09 raised to power half. So this is the same as this is 81 according to the laws of indices raised to power half. This negative index, so this 0.3 is same as 3 divided by 10 multiplied by this is same as 9 over 100 if you convert it to fraction raised per half. So the 81 raised per half is square root of 81 according to the laws of indices, divided by 3 over 10 multiplied by this is same as square root of 9 over 100. So this here becomes square root of 81 is 9. Square root of 81 is 9 divided by 3 over 10 multiplied by square root of 9 is 3 divided by square root of 100 is 10. So 3 over 10 cancels out 3 over 10. Our answer is 9. Option B is our answer here. For the fourth question, it says half simplify half log 64 base 4 plus log 16 base 4 minus log 2 base 4. So this becomes log 64 base 4, and this is just per half, this power law, plus log 16 base 4 minus log 2 base 4. This is the same as log 64 raised per half is same as square root of 64, which is equal to 8. So this becomes 8 plus log 16 base 4 minus log 2 base 4. So this becomes log, let's take a general log 4, then this 8 this addition, so it changes to multiplication, times 16 minus 2 into division divided by 2. So 2 here 1, 2 into 16 is 8. That's log 8 times 8 base 4. That's log 64 base 4. 64 is the same as 4 raised to power 3 base 4. So when we multiply this entire expression by this 3, it becomes 3 log 4 base 4. And logarithm to its own base is 1. So that's 3 times 1, which is equal to 3. So the answer is 3 here. And for the fifth question, it says find the sum of the first 9 terms of the exponential sequence 18, 6 and 2. And the exponential sequence is same as geometric progression. The word exponential sequence is same as GP, and the nth term of a GP is given by AR raised to power n minus 1. Our A in this case is 18. Our n is 9. And our common ratio is the second term divided by the first term, 6 over 18, that's 1 over 3. So this is the formula for nth term, but in this case what we are looking for is the sum. So sum of nth term when the common ratio is less than 1, that'll be the formula is Sn is equal to A bracket 1 minus r raised to power n divided by 1 minus r. So sum of 9 terms here will be 18 bracket 1 minus our common ratio is 1 over 3 raised to the power of 9 divided by 1 minus our common ratio 1 over 3. So this becomes 18 bracket 1 minus 1 over 3 1 over 3 raised to power 9. That gives us, since our answer is in, the options are in decimal, so we can use our calculator and evaluate it. So 1 over 3 raised to the power of 9, that gives us 5.0805 times 10 raised to the power of minus 5 times 10 raised to the power of minus 5 divided by 1 minus 1 over 3, that's 2 over 3, and 2 over 3, that gives us 0.67. So this becomes 1 minus 5.0805 times 10 raised to the power minus 5. Subtracting from 1 gives us 18 times 0.99999 divided by 0.67. And when we do that with our calculator, we have divided by 0.67, it gives us 26.88. Option C. Number 6, A and B are set such that number of terms in A is 26, number of terms in B 19, number of A intersection B is 11. Find number of terms in A union B. The formula is number of terms in A plus number of terms in B minus number of terms in A intersection B. So this becomes 26 plus 19 minus 11. So this is 45 minus 11. That gives us 34. Option B is our answer. Number 7. How many years will 100,000 amount to 180,000 at 5% simple interest per annum? Amount is principal plus interest. Our amount here is 180,000 and our principal is 100,000. 100 plus, then the interest here, simple interest, is PRT over 100. So 180,000 minus 100,000 is equal to, our principal is 100,000, the rate is 5 times T divided by 100. So this 80,000 is equal to, this cancels out, that's 1,000 times 5, that's 5,000 t. So our t is equal to 80,000 divided by 5,000. That gives us 16. So our t is 16 years. Number 8, the third and seventh terms of a GP are 72. Remember, the nth term of an AP is AR raised per n minus 1. So the third term is AR raised per 3 minus 1. That's AR square. And we are given that is 72. So we can call this equation 1. While the seventh term, AR raised per 6, is 8 over 9. Let's call this equation 2. So we can divide equation 1 by equation 2, or divide equation 2 by equation 1. So divide equation 2 by equation 1. So we have AR raised per 6 divided by AR squared is equal to 8 over 9 divided by 72. So A cancels out A. That's R raised per 6 minus 2 is equal to 8 over 9 times 1 over 72. So 8 here 1, 8 into 72, that's 9. So R raised per 6 minus 2 is 4, is equal to 1 over 9 times 9 is 81. So R is 4th root of 1 over 81. That's 1 over 3. Our common root 4th root of 1 over 81 is 1 over 3. And we have to look for the first term. So this is a common ratio. So to get the first term, let's plug this into equation 1. So equation 1 is AR squared equals 72. That's A bracket 1 over 3 squared equals 72. That's A times 1 over 9 equals 72. That's A over 9 equals 72. So A is equal to 72 multiplied by 9. A is equal to 648. 648. So our answer is B. 648. Number 9. In a class of 30 students, every student has at least a ruler. If 25 students have white rulers and 20 students yellow rulers, how many students have rulers of both colors? Let's quickly sketch this. This is a problem of sets, Venn diagram specifically. And there are two types of rulers there. You have white ruler, yellow ruler, and there are 25 students here. Now the number of students that have both we are not given, so let's call this X. So 20 students have there are 30 students, sorry, not 25. 30 students, so 25 have white rulers, so 25 minus X, and 20 have yellow rulers, so 20 minus X. So this becomes 25. We sum up all this, equate it to 30. 25 minus X plus X plus 20 minus X equals 30. Minus X cancels out plus X. So 25 plus 20, that's 45, minus X equals 30. So X equals 45 minus 30. X is equal to 15. So 15 students have rulers of both colors. Number 10, the first and last terms of an AP are minus 2A and 38A respectively. Find the number of terms if its common difference is 5A. Now, the nth term of an AP is A plus n minus 1D. The first term is minus 2A plus n. We don't know what n is, minus 1. The common difference is 5A. Then we equate it to the last term. The last term is 38a. So minus 2a plus 5a times n, 5an. 5a times minus 1 minus 5a is equal to 38a. So 5an minus 2a minus 5a, that's minus 7a, is equal to 38a. So 5an is equal to 38a plus 7a. So 5an is equal to 38a plus 7a, that's 45a. So a cancels out a, we're left with 5n is equal to 45. So n is equal to 45 divided by 5. N is equal to 9. Option C is our answer here. By 11, find the gradient of a line joining the point. Minus 5, minus 6, and 5 and minus 2. The formula here is gradient. The formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. These are x1, y1, x2, y2. So plugging this into this equation, we have minus 2 minus y2 is minus 2, y1 is minus 6, minus 6 divided by x2. x2 is 5 minus x1 is minus 5. Minus 5, that's minus 2 plus 6 divided by 5 plus 5, that's 4 divided by 10. 2 here 2, 2 here 5, that's 2 over 5. Option B is our answer here. Number 12, find the value of k in the diagram shown at the right. Find the value of k. Now this is 360 minus 312, that's angle at a point. So 360 minus 312, that's 48. So if this is 48, this is also 48. Alternate segment, you see, alternate angle rather. This angle is alternate to this angle, so this is 48. Now this is a straight line. So to get k, you say k plus 48 is equal to 180. That's sum of angles on a straight line. So k is equal to 180 minus 48. K is equal to 132 degrees. Option C is our answer here. Number 13, in the figure shown at the left, PQ and PR are tangents from P to the circle with center O. If angle QPR is 34, find the angle marked X. This is angle tangent from external point. So what we'll do is, let's draw an imaginary line like this, dividing these two angles. We've divided this. If this is 34, that means this is 17. This is also 17. Now this angle is 90. This angle is 90. Because a straight line drawn from the center of a circle to touch a tangent is at right angle to the tangent. So this is 17, this is 90. So this angle will be this angle. Remember, the whole angle here is what we are looking for. We are looking for the whole of this angle is x. Remember. So let's first look for this angle. So whatever we get, we'll multiply by 2. So this angle becomes, let me clean this first. So this angle becomes, this is a triangle, and sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So this angle here, let's call it angle A. So A is equal to 180 minus 90 plus 17. That's 180 minus 107. 180 minus 107, that's 73 degrees. Now if A is equal to B, so if this is 73, this is also 73. So X is equal to 73 plus 73. That's 146. Option C, 146. Number 14, calculate the value of X in the diagram shown at the right. This is an alternate, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. A quadrilateral whose vertices touch the circumference of a circle is a cyclic quadrilateral. So if this is 32, if this is 92, this will also be 92. the exterior angle of, there's a theorem that says that the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the interior opposite angle. So if this is 92, this is also 92, and this is a straight line. So x plus 92 is equal to 180. S is 180 minus 92. S is equal to 180 minus 92. That's 88 degrees. Option C is our answer here. Number 15, find the values of x and y if s plus 3y is equal to 2s plus y. So this is the same as this 2x minus x minus 3y plus y. We're bringing everything to the right hand side now. Is equal to 0. 2x minus 3y, 2x minus x minus 3y plus y is equal to 0. So this is x minus 3y plus y, that's 4y, equals 0. Let's call this equation 1. And 8 minus y is equal to s plus y. So that becomes x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. We're bringing everything to the right hand side. So that becomes x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. S plus 2y is equal to 8. So let's call this equation 2. So let's solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. So solving this simultaneously, we have x minus 4y equal to 0. S plus 2y equal to 8. So let's subtract this from this. X minus x is 0. 2y minus 4y, that's 6y. Okay. Sorry, minus 3y plus y is 2y, not 4y. It's 2y. So so this is minus 2y. So this is minus 2y. So when we subtract, we have 2y minus 2y, that's 4y, is equal to 8 minus 0 is 8. So y is equal to 2. So to get our x now, we plug this into equation 1. So that will be x minus 2 bracket 2 equal to 0. S minus 4 equal to 0. S equal to 4. So S is equal to 4. Y is equal to 2. That's option A. Option A. Number 16, make K the subject of the relation. Now what we do is we square both sides. When you square both sides, the square cancels the square root. So you have tk minus h over k minus h. So cross multiplying, we have t square bracket k minus h is equal to tk minus h. So this becomes t square k minus t square h is equal to tk minus h. And when we collect like terms, we have t square k minus tk is equal to t square h minus h. So factorizing now, k becomes k open bracket t square minus k into tk is t is equal to t square h minus h. So k is equal to, divide both side by t square minus t square h minus h divided by t square minus t. So we can factorize this as k is equal to h bracket t square minus 1 divided by t square minus t. This is option A. Option A. Number 17. If square root of 2 plus root 3 over root 3 is simplified as this, find the value of n plus n. So this is same as root 2 plus root 3 divided by root 3 multiplied by rationalizing the denominator, we have root 3 divided by root 3. So when we multiply, we have root 3 times root 2, root 6 plus root 3 times root 3, that's root 9, that is square root of 9 is 3, divided by root 3 times root 3, that's root 9, and square root of 9 is what? 3. So this is as root 6 over 3 plus 3 over 3. This is same as root 6 over 3 plus 1. This is 1 over 3 root 6 plus 1. So if you compare, which is same as 1 plus 1 over 3 root 6. So if you compare this with this, you see our m is 1, n is 1 over 3. So m plus n will be equal to 1 plus 1 over 3. When you take LCM, LCM is 3, 1 into 3, 3, 3 times 1, 3, plus 3 into 3, 1, 1 times 1, 1, 3 plus 1, 4 over 3, which is equal to one whole number, 1 over 3. Option C is our answer here. Number 18, given that tan x is equal to 2 over 3, where 0 degree less than or equal to x less than or equal to 90, find the value of 2 sine x. If tan x is equal to that, okay, let's draw a right angle triangle. Since we are to look for, we only have two sides. Tan is opposite over adjacent. This is our opposite, this is our adjacent. So 2, this is 2 over 3. So we need to get this third side. So to get this third side, we use Pythagoras theorem. That's s squared is equal to 2 square plus 3 square. So x squared is equal to 4 plus 9. S squared is equal to 13. So x is square root of 13. So 2 sine x, 2 sine x. So this x is root 13. 2 sine x will be 2 bracket sine x is opposite over hypotenuse. That's 2 over root 13. That's the same as over 1. So 2 times 2, 4 over 1 times root 13, root 13. So rationalizing the denominator, we have times root 13 over root 13. 4 times root 13 is 4 root 13 divided by root 13 times root 13 is 13. So our answer is 4 root 13 over 13. Option C. Number 19. The probability that Keba, Ibu and Oma will hit the target at that 2 over 3, 3 over 4 and 4 over 5 respectively. Find the probability that only Keba will hit the target. So probability that only Keba will hit it, that means Keba will hit, others will not hit. Okay, so if, okay, let's say Keba is 2 over 3, Ebu is 3 over 4, and probability that Oma also hits is 4 over 5. So probability that Keba will not hit is 1 minus 2 over 3. That's 1 over 3. Probability Ebu will not hit is 1 minus 3 over 4, which is equal to 1 over 4. And probability that Oma will not hit will be 1 minus 4 over 5, which is equal to 1 over 5. So probability that only Keba will hit. If only Keba will hit, that means Ebu will not hit and Oma will not hit. So probability that only Keba only will hit, that will be 2 over 3. Probability Keba will hit is 2 over 3 times, that means the other 2 will not hit. That will be 1 over 4, that's this, Ebu will not hit, times 1 over 5, that means Oma will not hit. So this becomes 2 here 1, 2 here 2, that's 1 over 3 times 2, 6, 6 times 5, 30, 1 over 30. Option C is the answer there. The number 20, in the diagram shown at the left, PQS is a circle with center O. RST is a tangent at S, and and west OP is 96 degrees. Find PST. Now look at this diagram carefully. Let me zoom it out so you can see. Okay, now this is the center, right? So this angle is 2 times of this angle. Angle at center is twice angle subtended at circumference. So 96 is equal to 2 times angle PQS. That's angle at center. Angle at center. So angle PQS in this case will be 96 divided by 2. Angle PQS is equal to 96 divided by 2. That's 48 degrees. 48. So this angle is 48. Now this is a tangent, and this angle in a tangent angle, and this is a chord. So the angle this tangent makes with this chord, that's this angle, is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. The angle in the alternate segment is the angle facing this chord. So the angle in the alternate segment is 48. So if this is 48, that means this is also 48. So answer is B. Answer is B. So thank you very much for your time. Please subscribe to this channel and keep liking the videos and commenting. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day, and I wish you maximum success in your exam. Bye.